Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are reviewing CARRD, a simple and affordable website builder for creating one-page websites. We'll go over its pros, cons, pricing and everything you need to know to decide if it's the right choice for you in 2025. Let's dive in. So CARRD is a drag and drop website builder designed for creating a responsive one-page website. It's perfect for portfolios, landing pages and small business websites, offering a simple solution for users without coding skills. Let's start with the pros. So, CARRD is easy to use. You can create a site by simply dragging and dropping elements, making it great for beginners. With a free version and pro plan at just $19 per year, CARRD is one of the most budget-friendly options available. Also, CARRD offers a wide range of modern, responsive templates to help you get started quickly. Also, CARRD sites load quickly, which is great for SEO and user experience. With the Pro plan, you can connect a custom domain, giving your site a professional feel. Now, let's go over some cons. So, CARRD is great for simple sites but lacks advanced features like e-commerce or extensive integrations. Also, the free plan limits your customization and includes ads, which can be a downside. Now, CARRD also has a basic SEO setting, but it's not as advanced as other builders. And CARRD doesn't support as many third-party integrations as some other website builders. Now, here's the pricing breakdown. The free plan includes basic templates but with ads and limited features. The Pro plan is at $19 per year and you will get premium templates, custom domains and ad-free sites. Now, the Pro Plus plan includes $49 per year subscription where you get more features like unlimited projects and custom domains. So, CARRD is ideal for small businesses and freelancers looking for simple and professional site. Also, it's ideal for personal projects like blogs, landing pages or resumes and side projects that need an affordable, quick online presence. In conclusion, CARRD is an affordable, easy to use website builder that works great for one-page websites, but it may not have all the advanced features for complex sites, but it's perfect for personal projects, portfolios and small businesses. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.